Since the dawn of time, we've struggled against the cold, against the dark, against the unknown. But with every struggle came a spark, a question. How do we solve this? Struggle led to ideas. Ideas led to tools. And tools built the world around us. We carved mountains, crossed oceans, and reached for the sky, always pushing forward, always finding a way. But today, struggle isn't just about survival. It's about standing out, cutting through the noise, finding clarity in the chaos. Brands, creators, and businesses battle not with swords, but with stories. At One Mars Media, we don't just create, we solve. We craft the message that cuts through the noise, the visual language that turns struggle into success, the content that connects, inspires, and converts. Struggle is constant, but so is evolution. And the brands that thrive are the ones that embrace it, solve it, create through it. That's why we exist. That's why we create. One Mass Media, where struggle meets story.